Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Russell update for you guys. You hear my barking, the dogs are out. The dogs are out. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Russell sitting at $7.8 million in market cap. Again, covered it on the channel at 3.5 mil, 3.6 million market cap. Wish I brought it to you guys at 2 mil. I wish I got in at 2 mil as well, but that's fine. Obviously, the smartest thing to do from the video, take your initials, leave that moon bag, let it go to Valhalla, okay? That's smartest thing to do. If you don't want to take your initials, that's fine as well too, but just make sure you take some profits. But in my opinion, for all the whales, all the holders of Russell, let's make sure this thing goes to billions, right? Let's not wreck the chart. Let's coincide together, diamond hand, take profits, off the table, nothing too crazy, and then Russell becomes a cemented meme. Because for example, Shiba Inu, when a meme gets to billions, it becomes cemented, right? And that way people can take profits, and the liquidity is so fat, it's not even gonna really affect, it's not, the profit taking is not gonna be as impactful anymore, right? And that's what we need to do for the Russell project. Russell got listed on a ton of exchanges after the recent blow off with XT, LBank, Mexi, Arbit, KCEX. And I'm telling you guys, Brian Armstrong replied, and Elon Musk is bullish on Russell with the fire emoji. You'll never get anything better than that, right? Sitting at $8 million in market cap. Again, all you need is 100,000 Russell tokens. That's only $800 right now, in my opinion, right? $810 right now for 100,000 Russell tokens. If you want to be a big man and go for 1 million tokens and buy 8K, you could do that. But with my channel, I tell you guys, never invest more than you're willing to lose. I know $8,000 to invest in the crypto is a lot of money, man. That's a lot. So, manage your risk. Always manage your risk, okay? But in my opinion, 100,000 Russell tokens, 200,000 Russell tokens. Let's say you just double that, 1,600, 200,000 Russell tokens, right? 1,600. It's not gonna wreck the bank if something goes awry, because this is crypto. Nothing is guaranteed. But in my honest opinion, I see Russell going to a $5 to $10 billion market cap. Why do I say this? Well, if you take a look at Russell's Twitter, 5,700 followers on Twitter. Brian Armstrong replying to Russell in the pinned tweet right here, happy holidays, 12 million views for this, we like your socks. There's a picture, thank you. And guess who else is in the replies? Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, $600 billion net worth. Probably will be the first trillionaire. He will be the first trillionaire. He's so close, right? 600 billion, he only got 400 billion left to be a trillionaire. The first public trillionaire in the world, right? Elon Musk replying to Russell with the fire emoji, right? No other meme coin in history has gotten a reply from Elon. None, right? None of them. And I could keep bringing it up for you guys. Let's take a look at a couple of the Russell tweets first. When Elon Musk, Brian Armstrong, and Coinbase replies to you in the same week, right? The dogs are out. The dogs are out. Ape Store, how it started versus how it ended. Good morning, base, right? And I'm showing you guys, for example, right? Like I said, remember, Doge. This is the Dogecoin of base right here. Dogecoin always outperform. Always outperform, right? The biggest cat coin we got was Popcat at 2 billion market cap. Even Toshi. I love Toshi. Love Toshi. No disrespect to Toshi at all. But Toshi only got to 980 mil market cap on chain as its all-time high. So Popcat did double that, right? Toshi still got a lot of way to go. I know a lot of people are still bullish on Toshi. I really think Toshi survives the bear market, and I think Russell survives the bear market if we do get that, right? And those are the projects that you bet on in the bear market to make those massive gains. People could say meme coins are gonna die next cycle. No, I think the quick pump and dump meme coins are gonna die, but the ones with long lasting communities are gonna stay, right? That's what I think, right? And Toshi's one of them, right? No disrespect to other memes, but Toshi's one of them. As far as Solana memes, I don't know about the Solana memes, but Toshi's one of them, and Russell will be one of them, right? But dogs typically outperform. With Elon Musk bull posting Dogecoin, and everyone bullish on Dogecoin with Elon Musk bull posting it, Dogecoin got to a 82 billion dollars in market cap, right? Shiba Inu, right? Remember, Shiba Inu was created because the Dogecoin dog is a Shiba Inu. The breed of dog is a Shiba Inu, right? That's why Shiba Inu was created. Some anonymous devs created Shiba Inu when Ethereum was still very cheap and on-chain wasn't as explosive, right? 2021, 2020. And then we got the massive run on Shiba Inu. How high did it go? To $41 billion in market cap, right? Excuse me. What are these coins? Two dog coins. $41 billion in market cap for Shiba Inu, right? Russell is the dog coin, the Dogecoin of base chain. Like, for example, as well, Baby Doge. Baby Doge got launched, right? And then Elon Musk, made a funny joke about Baby Doge, and Baby Doge went to what market cap, right? What market cap did Baby Doge go to at the highs, right? This shows 800 mil market cap, but the all-time high more than likely was $1 billion market cap in 2022. $1 billion market cap, January 20th, 2022. $1 billion market cap. Again, another dog coin. This free dog coin so far that are $1 billion market cap, right? Let me give you another one. Floki. I mentioned it in a previous video, right? You do not sell your Russell too early. Take profits, but make sure you have a bag for the moonshot, man. Market cap for Floki. Remember, Elon Musk bought a dog, called it Floki. Some anonymous person launched the Floki coin because Elon Musk bought a dog, called it Floki. What happened to Floki? $2.7 billion in market cap two times. In the previous cycle, right? 2021, and this cycle that we recently have. The 2023-2024 cycle, right? $3 billion market cap 2 times in a row for Floki, right? Just because of this Elon affiliation, right? Peanut the squirrel. Remember, Elon put out a Peanut tweet, Obi-Wan Peanut or something like that. How high did Peanut get to? Peanut went to $1.79 billion in market cap, right? Floki, again, Peanut, only not a non-dog coin, right? Nero, remember Nero, the Dogecoin owner, bought another, adopted it. Well, how did they do that? They adopt the dogs? I'm not sure, but she got another dog called Nero. And how high did Nero go to, right? $1.1 billion in market cap. Another dog coin. Keep track of all the dog coins I've mentioned so far. $1.1 billion in market cap for Nero, because it was another, the original Doge passed away, so they got another dog, and Nero is the name. And then boom, there you go, right? And technically that is Elon influence as well, right? Without Elon, Dogecoin wouldn't have gotten as big as it has, right? Without all the projects I've mentioned today, they wouldn't have gotten as big as they have without just even one Elon shill, or not even an Elon shill, because he's tweeting for the general public. He's not talking about no meme coins. This is the first time ever Elon Musk replied to a meme coin in Russell, right? The first time ever Elon replied to a meme coin, and it is always going to be there. The history is always going to be there. The first time ever Elon replies to a meme coin, right here. Replying to Russell, right? And another project as well, Dogecoin as well, right? Whiff went to what market cap? Now obviously no Elon influence. Shout out to Ansem and the Solana bros, Solana manlins, for pushing this. Whiff went to $5 billion market cap. This shows 4.5, but on chain it got to 5 billion. $4.5 billion in market cap for Whiff. What was it? A dog coin. It's the dog coins always outperform. We go by history. Everyone is predicting the bear market is on its way because we go by history. Well, history shows us dog coins outperform, right? Bonk. What is Bonk? Where is Bonk sitting at? Bonk sitting at 686 mil right now. Bonk, all-time high market cap, 4 billion. What? Bonk went to 4 billion? What the heck? You know, I fumbled bonk back here at 10 million market cap, 10 to 20 mil market cap. I fumbled bonk. That's crazy. So bonk went to 4 billion market cap. What kind of coin is it, right? What kind of coin is it? What kind of coin is bonk, right? It's a dog coin. If you go to the tab, the CMC tab, it's doggone doggerel, right? And you see the top dog coins: Doge, Shib, Bonk, Floki, Whiff. Cheems on Binance did well also, right? Wow, I forgot about this, right? This is another Doge-centered meme, right? This got to 343 million market cap, right? Dog on Bitcoin as well did amazing. Dog on Bitcoin as well did amazing, right? Market cap, look at this. 952 million market cap. Come on, guys. Dogecoin Mars. Yeah, I remember Dogecoin Mars. Y'all remember this one? Market cap went to how much for Dogecoin? 1 billion market cap. Okay, is anyone else seeing a pattern here? And look what coin. Let me sort it by the 7-day percentage gains, right? Look what coins are outperforming here. Look what coins are at the top. Russell is right here. I never saw Hachiko. I have to look into it. But look at what is outperforming. If I checked this yesterday, you would have seen Russell on top, right? Russell is the top dog coin performing in this market at this present time, right? Had a bit of a pullback. If I showed this yesterday, it would have been at the top, right? So guess what? I showed you guys all the dog coins, how high their ceilings are. I showed you guys just how high these dog coins can go. I showed you guys, man. I broke it down for you guys just how high dog coins could go. Dog coins always outperform cat coins, right? Popcat only got to 2 billion market cap. The dog coins of the past gets to 5, 10, 20, 30 bill, right? This was a weaker cycle. This was a weaker bull run, you know. And Toshi only got to 1 billion. Toshi probably is going to go to 3 to 4, 5 bill in the future. I believe so. But so will Russell. So will Russell. In my opinion, Russell is going to be the top meme coin on base chain. Russell will be because the dog coins always at the top. They are. They are always at the top. Oh man, this is crazy going through this, man. It's great. But yeah, I showed you guys everything you need to see, man. Another Russell update. Russell looking very well. Again, broke it down how much you need to hold. In my opinion, because it goes to 1 billion market cap, which it will. I've no doubts Russell goes to 1 billion market cap, if not higher. 5 to 10 billion is in the cards. Elon has never replied to a meme coin ever. This is the first time he's done it. 5 billion, 10 billion is in the cards as the biggest meme coin on base chain. When retail returns, when they finally come back, Russell's gonna be the biggest coin on base, biggest meme coin on base chain. Obviously, they're gonna be great utility coins, which I love as well. But Russell's my meme coin bet for when retail comes back, and they're gonna come to base chain, right? They come into base. I don't know about Solana. As always, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'll catch y'all in the next one. None of this is financial advice.